Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Power BI dashboards look more polished and professional, but you're not sure where to start with design, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a super simple way to create eye-catching dashboard backgrounds using Canva, and then bring those designs right into Power BI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to elevate the look of your dashboards, and trust me, it's easier than you think, even if you're not a designer. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, head over to Canva. If you've never used Canva before, it's a free online tool for designing just about anything, no fancy graphic design skills required. You can simply open your browser, type in canva.com and sign in or create a free account if you need to. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top to find dashboard templates. This is one of the reasons Canva is so handy. They have tons of ready-made templates specifically for dashboards, so you don't have to start from scratch. Just pick one that matches the style or color palette you want for your Power BI report. Once you've picked out a template you like, you might want to do a little tweaking. Maybe update the colors to match your brand or adjust the boxes where your charts will go. Take your time with this part, but don't stress too much about making it perfect. The goal here is just to create a clean background that's going to help you organize your visualizations later on. When you're satisfied with how your template looks, it's time to download it. Click the download button in the top right corner, select PNG as the file type, and save it to a location on your computer where you'll be able to find it easily. PNG is a great format for this because it supports high-quality images and transparent backgrounds, which is what Power BI likes for backgrounds. With your template saved, let's jump over to Power BI. Open up your project or start a new one if you want to try this on a fresh dashboard. Now we're going to bring that Canva design in as a background. Click on the Insert option in the menu at the top and then choose Image. Browse to where you saved your Canva template and open it. It's going to show up on your page and you might need to resize it a little bit. Don't worry, just stretch the corners so it covers your report area nicely. Now here's one of my favorite parts. We can actually use this Canva template as the base layer for our dashboard, almost like laying out a plan before building a house. All your charts, graphs, slicers, and other visuals will sit on top of this. It's not just about looks, it also helps keep your layout organized so everything lines up cleanly and looks intentional. Go ahead and start adding your objects, charts, graphs, slicers, whatever your dashboard needs. You'll see how the visuals snap right into place with the background design you set up, almost like puzzle pieces fitting perfectly. If you want to move things around or try different visuals, your background gives you a framework to follow, and it keeps the whole dashboard tidy and visually appealing. That's really all there is to it. Canva makes it easy to create attractive backgrounds, and with just a few clicks you can elevate your Power BI dashboards to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I love helping out and seeing what you're working on. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and effective Power BI tutorials. See you next time.